just made it to the Discovery Park, G'day Discovery Park in Mildura. And so we just parked both cars because we are sharing a cabin for the next 2 nights here. So we've got the van parked up in front and we've managed to fit both cars. How cool is that? Anyway, let's go check out the cabin that we're staying in. This is it here. And literally behind me is the water. Check that out. What a great view. Anyway, let's head inside. Oh, and I should mention it's pet friendly. So Twyla's allowed to come in. That's why we got this. How cool is that? Let's go and have a look. Tonight, Adam's cooking up. What are you cooking up? A Thai dish? When did we make this? We made this.
This was in the van.
We went to
Ballarat. Episodes back.
Ballarat or Bendigo. We made a similar one. But anyway, so we've got rice cooking. Adam's got this one going on here. Twyla's excited because it's a pet friendly cabin. She's so excited she doesn't have to have a lead on because the last 4 days she's had a lead on every night. So no lead tonight, Twyla. And then Monica's over here trying to work out, because we got the cabin tonight, I brought our projector in, but I'm using the same cord that we use to run our projector to plug up to my phone, so we can literally have what's on my phone on here, so we can watch some YouTube and watch some film clips. So that's what we're working on at the moment. We've got food cooking, we've got the TV coming on. It's all happening tonight. Well, we got the TV working and Adam just cooked us an amazing dinner. So time to eat up. Yum. Good morning, guys. We have woken up to this view today. Look how gorgeous it is. There is so many pelicans over there, it's not funny. We're definitely gonna have to try to get on that side of the river to go check them out because they look so cute. We've just gotten back from a very busy day in Mildura. Now I'm gonna take you around the caravan park, which is sitting right along the Murray River, which is absolutely awesome. So let's go in and check out all the facilities and the accommodation. Well, there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed the park tour. Now, so that's it for another midweek episode, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Definitely stay tuned this Sunday at 5 p.m. for our main episode. It is going to be epic. And if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe and tell your friends about us. Otherwise, we will see you on Sunday. See you guys.